these are my kitties. Look, there are two of them anyway. This is Kaya right here. This is Shawnee. And these are my cable eaters. Where's the other one? Snow! Snow! Meow! Where are you, Snow? Well, I got a third one. She's running around somewhere. But this is the most naughty one. They're all rescues from off the street. And they love my cables. Say hi, kitties. Meow! You see, look at that. Oh, you love daddy, huh? Oh, you love daddy. Yes, I'm a crazy cat guy. Alright. What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang 775 back with another video. Today, I'll be doing a review on a set of cables. Yes, you heard that right, set of cables. Now, folks over at Stars Arisen reached out to me and they told me they wanted me to take a look at a set of cables, and I thought, it's like, cables, what would I, like, wait a minute, I do need cables, okay? These are audio cables, mainly 3.5mm jack type cables, and I'll read you out the list of what they sent me, okay? They sent me 3.5mm jack, okay? RCA, oh no, RCA, where is it, RCA? Oh, it's right here. RCA, right here. This is the RCA, right here. RCA inputs, 3.5mm jack, okay? And these cables are freaking solid, okay? They're really durable for the most part, okay? And that's extra plus for me because I got cats that like to run off with my wires and bite them, okay? I love them to death, but sometimes I wanna, okay? So that's that cable they sent me. Dukabel, I think that's how I pronounce it, Dukabel. Extension cable, where's the, oh, this is the extension right here. This is what they sent me right here. That's the extension cable, 3.5mm jack. You stick it in, you stick in another 3.5mm jack, and that's the extension, okay? So that's the extension. Put this on the side. Then Dukabel Top Series 3.5mm auxiliary cable, lossless audio, gold plated. Okay, male to male. I'm assuming it's this one, male to male cable. It's this one, okay? And I tested it out with my LG V40. My LG V40, you folks know there's a quad DAC in here. So when I plug this in, see, those are my cats talking, okay? They're talking to me. They want me to go out there because they probably got one of my cables right now and chewing them up. Thank you, Dukabel and Stars Arisen, for sending me these cables. So I did test this out with my LG V40 and the thing sounds phenomenal, okay? I'll give you a quick listen. Let me go ahead. Let's pick a headset. Oh, the Bluetooth U, okay? The Bluetooth U. Let's go ahead. I'm pretty sure this Bluetooth U2 has no battery. So this is gonna be all on the phone. You're gonna take a charge from the phone. Dukabel, alright? It's the lossless audio cable. I'm assuming that's it. And it sounds phenomenal. I've had it wired up to my LG V40 for like the past 2 or 3 days. You know, I was listening a lot to my DJ Fusion A7s, but I kind of missed the Bluetooth because this kind of lacks low end, and the Bluetooth has tons of low end and whatnot. And they sound phenomenal. This is an awesome set of cables, and again, very durable. All right. Okay, and the last 3 cables, they're confusing for me, but I know what they do, but they're gonna seem confusing. So they all pretty much look the same, but they all have different purpose and intents and purposes. Okay. This is the splitter. Say if you have a single 3.5mm jack that you wanted to connect to the PC. Here. Say you wanted to connect these Corsairs to your PC, but you didn't have a splitter. Well, there you go. You got a splitter right here. So you connect your headset to that. Then you connect this to the front parts of your PC. This one says headphones, and this one is the microphone. So, and it'll show you on your PC. Most modern PCs have the little microphone mark and a little headphone mark, so you can connect it to your PC that way. And this one is, let's see, which one is this? This one is for to split the headphone. I'm thinking split the headphone sounds because this is both headphones. Let me see. Let me see if this works. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try split the sound. I did it! Okay, so that headphone splitter is if you want to split sound, say like you and your wife, your husband, your other half, your partner, whatever you want to call them, okay? Say you guys want to share music. You got one source, the LG V40, the best source, okay? Quad DAC, one of the best on-the-go sources, okay? So I got them connected here. As you can see, look, they're connected to the same source. Look at that. Listen to this. That's pretty sweet, okay? That's the splitting, okay? That's the headphone splitter sound. Headphone splitter cable, I should say. Fairly unique product. Most people are not gonna use this, but say, like me and my wife, when you want to cuddle and it's cold and stuff, yeah, this could come in handy. You both can listen to music at the same time, the same type of music. That depends if you like the same type of music. Now, if you guys like different types of music, then yeah, it's not gonna really use this. Now, the only one I didn't test, okay, I'm gonna test it right now actually. RCA, that one does not have RCA, darn it. I know what speaker has RCA, so I'm gonna do a jump cut here. I'm gonna test that speaker out. Whew. Okay, folks, I went ahead and dug out a speaker. Well, I didn't dig it out. I went ahead and got it. I took it. It was underneath my entertainment center. I mainly use the speaker when I'm playing with my Xbox One. Okay, Xbox One X, I should say. And this speaker is phenomenal. Gonna switch out the source. Input 1. Oh, input 2. So I have my Marshall Stanmore, okay, speaker. As you can see, I got the cables connected there. Now this speaker is my favorite speaker that I have out of all. Now, I picked up the speaker when it was like at full price, $399 back in 2015-ish, when I just started setting up, my big screen TVs and whatnot. Well, I had big screen TVs before, but I mean, that one was special to me. And this speaker blew my mind at that time, and it still does. Okay, let's go ahead, let's play the same song that I've been playing. Let's go back a little bit. It's not even halfway. Let's turn it up halfway. That's half. I mean, what can I say? These Dukabel cables, they're cables. But the main reason why I asked to do a review on them, because I have my cats, okay? You guys saw in the beginning a little quick little clip of my cats. They do bite my cables. A lot of my cables I had to replace, my HDMI cables. Now, Dukabel or Stars Arisen, or you guys make HDMI cables? Because my cats, they bite into my HDMI cables. Well, I've got a couple that are really good. But as you can see, these are very durable. Let me go ahead and read off the strength of these cables. It showed me how strong they are. Gosh, I had the page. There we go. Let's go ahead. The standard. Let's see how strong they are. I know they're very strong. 24 karat gold plated contacts, triple sheeting jacket, tough nylon braided cover. That's this right here. Secure fit design, pure metal housing. oxygen-free copper core, which is interesting. Okay, and let's see. They give you tips here too. I mean, use for headphone cable, external microphones, mobile phones, computers, tablets, any device with a standard 3.5mm jack auxiliary in port. So, and durability tests. They've done over 100 durability tests. Okay, so they're reliable. Heavy duty strain relief, high density triple layer shielding for maximum noise reduction. Tin 99.97% OFC conductor for maximum signal strength. I have no idea what that means, but it sounds good. Okay, crystal nylon braided, maximum durability, blah blah blah. Yeah, this thing is a monster. And they also offer an additional extended 18-month warranty. So when you get your product, go ahead and register it on Dukabel. Oh wait, where do you register it? Dukabel.com/warranty. That's right there. It's going to be in a card inside your cables. They're priced fairly, I believe, $6-7 for each cable, which is not bad at all. Okay, it's not bad. Well, it ranges between about $7 to $8. Okay, which is not bad at all. The extension goes for a little bit more. There's some other cables here from Dukabel. They also make Dukabel mini DisplayPort to HDMI adapters. So they got a few cables here. They don't have any HDMI cables, but I'm assuming they're working on it. I could be wrong. I'm just assuming. You know, when you assume, you make yourself clicking. Yeah. But hey, I'm just thinking. You know, they're working on cables. I would assume they're gonna go that route. But if not, these are a good solid set of cables. As you can hear, let's go ahead and hear one more time how badass loud this thing sounds. Pardon my friend. Holy smokes, that's loud. Okay, that's why I love this speaker. Volume, bass, clarity. I mean, it has it all. Okay, it has it all. It's not an audiophile type speaker. It's more. It almost sounds like a block speaker. You could probably rock it out loud, full blast. This you could hear it outside. So this is a good speaker. I love the speaker, and even better. Well, not even better. The cables are nearly as good as the speaker. Let's see. But look at that. So that was my little review thing of the Dukabel series of 3.5mm jack cables. Do I think they're worth it? Yes, I do. For the price, $7 to $8. They're very fairly priced, very durable, and they sound very good. Okay, as I can see, I've tested it with my VR. I tested it with headset. I did the share music thing, you know, with 2 headsets and a source. I've done it with my speaker. I've done it with my Xbox controller, you know, like having the connection to my headphones and whatnot. It sounds phenomenal. So if you folks want to go ahead and take a look at these cables, their link will be down below in my about section. Not my link, their link. Their link is down there, okay? Folks, go check them out. Dukabel, okay? Check out these cables. You need a replacement cable for 3.5mm jack. You got cats like I do. They run away with your cables and never come back for days on end. Yeah, these cables are for you. But yeah, it's Guddang775. Hope folks like this video. Hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button. Let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. It's Guddang775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.